Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you convert iPhone's gallery photos, which are basically in I think HEIF or HEIC format. We want to convert them to JPEG format or JPG format, which is basically the most easily viewable format in every phone. So first of all, we need to make sure that we have the iPhone's files app right here, because we're going to be using this one to convert it. No external app, just the iPhone's files would do it. So if you do not have it right here, you can just go to settings and you can you can always go to Play Store and you can search for files, and files is right here. You can open that. Now I created this folder in my iPhone storage. You can do that by tapping on the top right button, and you can press new folder. I'm not gonna do it since I already did. So there's this JPG files folder that I created. We can go ahead and delete this. So then we can go to our gallery, and now I have this photo. Now you can see that it is an HEIF photo. You can see it right below the adjust button. This was taken with an iPhone 11. So you can go ahead and copy this by tapping on the top right button, and you can press copy, and then you can go back to your files, and now you can just navigate to the folder that you created, in my case JPG file. You can long tap on the blank space and press paste and press allow paste, and this photo is right here. Now how do you see that if it's a JPEG file? Well, you hold on to it, you press get info, and in the information you can see it is a JPEG image. So that is how you convert your images from the iPhone's format to JPEG format. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.